In the middle of the restless sea, where borders are drawn on maps, but not on hearts, stands a small island called Katchatheevu. For most of the year, it sleeps in silence. Wind, salt, and seabirds its only companions. But on the 27th and 28th of February 2026, the silence breaks. Boats begin to appear on the horizon, from Sri Lanka and from India, carrying not tourists, but pilgrims. They come across uncertain waters with faith as their compass. At the center of this island stands St. Anthony's Church, simple, white, unwavering against the ocean winds. For generations, fishermen of the Palk Strait have believed that St. Anthony watches over them, protecting them in storms, guiding them through darkness. As the boats anchor, thousands step onto the sand. Languages may differ, flags may differ, but here they kneel together. Incense rises into the open sky, hymns float over the sea breeze, candles flicker against the falling dusk. The Holy Mass becomes more than a ritual. It becomes a bridge between nations, a bridge between communities, a bridge between man and the divine. Katchatheevu has long carried political history, yet during this sacred feast, it carries something far greater: unity. For 2 days, the sea that separates becomes the sea that connects. And when the final prayers are whispered and the boats begin their journey home, the island slowly returns to silence once more. But the faith remains. In the hearts of those who cross the waters, and in the memory of an island that, once a year, becomes a symbol of peace.